gotten it off. This is a carb off of a 72, I believe, XS650. And the issue that this one's having is, well, it runs really, really rich, especially at idle. And we've already gone through and checked the float height, needle and seat, so on and so forth. Anything else that could be giving it extra fuel, verified the jet sizes. And this one is still having an issue with running really, really rich. So what can actually happen on these XS650s is they have the bowl gasket actually seals off the jet passages as well, and the jets themselves are down inside the bowl on these bikes. So if you have a leak on that float bowl gasket, it can actually allow unmetered fuel up into the carb, and that's what I believe we're running into on this particular bike. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and take a look at the condition of that bowl gasket here. Thing is really stuck. Huh. Looks like somebody's actually put RTV on this one in the past to try to fix the issue I was just talking about. I haven't actually opened this carb up yet. That's not great. I'll have to go ahead and clean that off of there before we go in with a new bowl gasket, but yeah, I would say that that's definitely the issue we're having with this carb, is that mid gasket is leaking. So if you look here on the bowl, you can see the jets are actually down in the bowl. So the fuel is drawn from down below the jets in the bowl here, and then it passes up through this gasket and into the actual body of the carb. And yeah, if there's a leak there, then you'll run into unmetered fuel getting in, which is obviously will make it run very rich. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this one up, put a new bowl gasket on it, and put it back together.